How can I balance focusing on my career and seeking knowledge? So it's a common one.
There's no contradiction. There is no contradiction between working as a Muslim, getting a job, making yourself a livelihood, and studying. I actually don't find there is any contradiction. I'm sure every one of you guys drives to work, for example. You're making your way back from work. Why don't you listen to a beneficial lecture? That's one. On the weekend, designate time that you only study Islamic studies. Be serious about that. For example, Saturday and on Sunday, I memorize this much, and I'm also going to study this much. Before Fajr, 1 hour before Fajr, why don't you wake up and read your portion of the Quran for that day and then go work? Brothers and sisters, if you want something, I'm sure you're going to find a will for it, a way for it. That's the truth. صح؟ بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة ولو ألقى معاذيره. You know yourself. You know that you can do it, but you're taking the easy way out. صح? So write it down. Write your method of what you're going to do, inshallah ta'ala, and بإذن الله الكريم you're going to see big results over time. Okay?